hope you are having a great day. Today I would like to take you through several items I purchased recently from BOOHOO.com. And this is a website I haven't purchased anything for quite some time, purely because I like shopping around, whether in the UK or North America or wherever I travel, and I like the variety and doesn't depend on the price tag. I'm always looking for quality. So I have identified these 7 items on BOOHOO.com website, and I was very impressed, purely because only several weeks ago I purchased lots of items from Pretty Little Thing, which I think it shares the same management with BOOHOO.com, but the quality there was absolutely terrible, so I returned almost everything. On this occasion I decided to purchase from BOOHOO.com 1 coat, 2 shirts and 4 dresses, which you are going to see them detailed as it follows. The very first dress was very disappointing because it's a gorgeous all over crochet skater midi dress in size large. So according to their website, which doesn't give exact measurements, they tell you, oh, you are a size 10 or 12 or 14. So they said to me, you are a size 12 to 14. So I ordered this dress in size large, but the waist of this dress is 72 centimeters, which is roughly 28 inches. So no way this dress is a size large, more like small to medium probably. So 28 inches, I mean, it's super skinny model's dimension. It's a stunning dress, simply great lace with a zipper, which is also very good lining, but lots of threads. The sizing, as I said, is not accurate and is 100% polyester, of course. So for this reason I had to return this dress. I could not even get into the dress, well, not close the zipper, which is very annoying. But if you're a slim person with small breasts, I highly recommend for you this dress. Is simply stunning. The next item you're going to see is a suedette, a leopard print belted trench, which I ordered it again in size large, and is again a gorgeous item. The fabric is stretch, doesn't have any lining, and again it had lots of threads. Is rather poorly cut and assembled, especially in the belt area, because I have got big breasts. I'm a size 34G. The belt should have been a bit lower for me. If you're a slim person with almost no breast, maybe the coat is good for you as you see it here, but for me I'll have to modify and move the belt a bit further. And as you can see here, the back is rather poorly assembled. I mean, come on, you don't do this kind of silly mistake. This coat, just like the previous one, like the previous dress, they are both made in China, just like most of the items I saw here, and it's also a combination of polyester with stretch in it. So I decided to keep the dress because this coat, because I can modify it and make it look very nice. And also I'm thinking of attaching some Indian haberdashery towards the bottom to make it look more exotic. The next item is a tall button front blazer dress, which I got it in size 14, and this is accurate. Well, it's more like 10 to 14, and it's called tall probably because it's designed for taller people. I'm 5'7" tall, so this suits me nicely. Is well cut, made in Italy, I saw on the label. Didn't have any threads, but the pockets are poorly assembled there on the side, and the buttons are not symmetrical. Again, is a combination of polyester with 5% of elastane, so to make it stretch, and I really like this kind of dresses. So if you do too, go for it and grab it. Is just very well cut, and I think I paid some £12, £14. so is a great value for money. Just like the next item, which was a lace cupped bodycon midi dress, and I ordered it in size 12, and I was so fortunate because the size 12 fit me perfectly. Okay, not around the breast, because dresses like this, they very rarely fit me well around the breast, but I always wear a bra underneath. And I like the fact that is very well cut, as I said. The lace at the top is very nice, has got underwire there, and everything else is stretched. That satin at the middle and the panels on the side, which are transparent. The downside, lots of threads again, and I discovered later on, as I took it from its plastic wrap, it had a hole at the front and one of the straps snapped, so you're going to see that later on. So I had to cut lots of threads, which is rather upsetting, because you know, you want to buy something that is not going to be covered in threads, and everything from BOOHOO.com seemed to be covered in threads, and is very upsetting. On the bright side, they sent me an email with another discount if I placed an order within the next 7 days, and even for this PMP it was next day delivery, purely because I found a discount on the internet. So I applied it and I realized I paid only £1 for this, which is brilliant. The next dress, my gosh, is simply amazing. A premium bandeau lace skater dress in size 14, and I was fortunate to order it in size 14 because I thought, you know what, the top of the dress is not very big to cover my breasts, and I said, okay, let's order it size 14. It's great on the upper, on the lower is a bit large for me, but I can adjust it. And again, it came with lots of threads. You can see there's some, I had to cut lots, but the lace is simply stunning. It's that kind of 3D lace, and it's just great with it. It's 3 layers of lace, and the lining is also very good, so I can modify it on the upper part and wear it without any problems. The next item I also ordered, the last two actually, there are 2 shirts, and the first one is a ruffled sleeve wrap top shirt in size 14. And I ordered like that because it's more like a bandeau kind of shirt. I ordered it in as you can see, they're in white. They have lots of colors. Again, it's polyester. Lots of, again, threads on it, which is just upsetting. But inside it was well assembled, and that belt you can see there can be removed, and if I want to tuck this blouse into a pair of jeans or a skirt, again is polyester 95%, and the rest is something else like elastane or whatever. It's a gorgeous dress, but the only problem I can think of is because I'm very big breasted, I have to be careful what I wear it with, because otherwise it's going to make me very large. So if you are like me, you always have to pay attention to this, just like the next shirt, the extreme sleeve kimono top wrap blouse, which I ordered it in size 10 purely because I didn't have size 12, no 14, and it said in ivory, but I thought, what kind of ivory is that? It's more like white, so I ordered it as it was. And again, it's a gorgeous a gorgeous shirt, again with the same problem because I'm a bigger breasted, and if you are like me, you'll have to be careful how you put this shirt together with something else on the lower part of your body. You don't want to appear as larger, but otherwise I can only say excellent things about this shirt. If you come across it, just get it. So I hope this information was of any help to you in getting the right items from BOOHOO.com. They seem to be having lots of great items, and yes, I might buy again something within the next week. And well, thank you for watching. I hope it inspired you too. Don't forget to subscribe and keep in touch with me. Have a nice day. Bye.